Hi again. I wanted to do this preview for what's coming tomorrow. So if you watch this video, you're going to get a head start and hopefully understand what's going on for tomorrow, and you'll have a better idea. So let's move me here. Asked to find the total perimeter of these collection of tiles and the area. So let's start with the area. So if I just want to know what the area of the collection of shapes is, I'm just going to say that the area is equal to, well, I've got an X tile plus a 1-unit tile plus an X tile. And we were talking earlier that if you want to combine these X's, well, how many X's do I have? That is the same thing as saying we have 2 of these X's. We have 2 X's plus 1. That is the area of this collection of tiles. Both work. Both are correct ways of writing it. Just this one is more simplified. It looks neater. It looks cleaner. That's called combining like terms. These X's are the same. We can combine them. Now, if we're talking about perimeter, I know that this is a 1 unit. This is a 1 unit here. This has a length of X. This has a length of 1. This has a length of X. This is a 1. This is an X. This is a 1. And this is an X. So how can I write an expression for the perimeter? Well, I could just go all the way around. So I've got, I have an X, so I'm going to start here. X plus 1 plus X plus 1 plus X plus 1. So I'm right here. Plus X plus 1. A much easier way would be for me to just ask how many X's do I have around the outside here? Well, I have 1 length of X, 2 lengths, 3 lengths, and 4 lengths of X. So that makes 4 X lengths plus 1, 2. Oh, let's go back. I don't know how to get back here. There we go. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4 unit lengths. So that is another expression for the perimeter. Again, both are correct. One is just more simplified. So let's try the next one. For the area, so for the area again, we could say I have 1 plus X plus X plus 1. That's what I have here. The more simplified version would be to say I have 1X, 2 X's. Oh. So I have 2 X's, and I have 2 units, 1, 2. Both are correct. This is more simplified. So what about the perimeter here? Well, I've got all these as 1s, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is an X. This is an X. This is a 1, 1, 1, and a 1. So if I were to add all those together, I have an X plus another X plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 8 units, or 2 X lengths plus 8 units. That is the perimeter. All right, see you guys tomorrow.